Oh, hey guys. So it's been a while since we've done this. I have not decorated the house since springtime. So I figured now that we're about 2 seconds away from having to decorate for Christmas, that we're gonna go ahead and decorate for fall, as one does, super late to the game. And we're just gonna go all out, balls to the wall, best freaking fall decor you've ever seen in your life. Saddle in. Is that too much? You're right. More is more. Should we add more or no? Let's do it. Let's really go all out, shall we? Yeah. Perfect. Amazing. Now we're going to move on to the grand finale, which is changing out the coach lights. Now here's the thing. There's a spider living in here that's the size of a Volvo. So you know what we say to that? Not today, Satan. Not today. Another job well done. And there you have it, boys and girls. The ultimate extreme, nobody can top this, balls to the wall, best fall decorate with me on YouTube. Don't even try to top it because you just can't. I know that this is the best thing you'll ever see in all of fall. It's better than a PSL. Yeah, it is. And I hope that you enjoyed it. And I hope that you really soaked it in, because you won't see anything better than this. That's that. Catch you guys next time. Bye.